Hello guys, welcome back to my new video of fractions. It is the fourth part of the chapter fractions of maths. Today's topic of ours is unit fraction. Today we'll understand what is unit fraction. So before starting, please like, subscribe and share my channel Haste Padhna education channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get my latest updates. And my friends, if you subscribe, there is a bonus point for you that if you subscribe this channel and like these videos, I put the videos of physics, chemistry as well as maths on this YouTube. So let's start. Before starting, I would like to tell you that in whole of the video I'll tell you a very interesting information in any time of the video. Like I can tell in the starting also, in middle also, and or in the end also. Anytime I can tell. It is not related to, it is a very secret and best information. So let's start. Unit fraction. So I hope you are seeing the pictures here. This picture, this picture, this picture, this picture. So first we'll read the definition. Don't relate the pictures now for this 2 minutes. We'll read the definition. A fraction whose numerator is 1 is called a unit fraction. Example, 1 upon 21, 1 upon 2341, 1 upon 23, 1 upon 27, etc. So, unit means, what is the meaning? Meaning means the explanation means what is the meaning? What do you explain? What do you know or what do you understand by the term unit? Unit means 1. 1 is the other name of unit. So a numerator, and as the names only suggest that unit fraction means the numerator. Just you have to learn that numerator. So you have to just learn numerator and other you will understand. As the name is unit fraction, so must be there something related to 1. You will learn, if you learn numerator, so you will learn or understand this also, that as unit fraction is 1. So numerator we have learned, and 1 is there, some relation is 1. So 1 must be the numerator. In unit fraction means a fraction whose numerator. See, I'm showing you a thing. 1 minute. I've saved it. Open, and I'm just getting that thing. That was the last part, and I must get it so that you can understand. Yeah, what is unit fraction? This is, we are studying only physical quantities and mixed fraction. Yeah, mixed fraction must be there. Yeah. So here 11 is there and 4 is there. It is the second or third part of the chapter, I suppose. So here this 11, which is above this line, middle line, is the numerator, and 4, which is below this middle line, is the denominator. So I hope you have understood that what are numerator and what is denominator. Then we'll move to, you have understood what is denominator and what is numerator. Numerator, this is the middle line, suppose, and so not suppose, it is the middle line here. As in the laptop we cannot write it like below this, so I have done like this only. So here 1 upon 21 is there, so 1 is the numerator. So what is the definition of unit fraction? Definition of unit fraction is a fraction whose numerator is 1 is called unit fraction. So here 1 is numerator, so it is a unit fraction. Here also 1 is numerator, it is also a unit fraction. Here also 1 is numerator, it is also a unit fraction. Here also 1 is numerator, it is also a unit fraction. Then I am also telling you the trick that there are no big questions like plus and minus in these unit fractions. You have to just find that there must be exercise that find your unit fractions. So in the last of the video, I'll also tell you the exercise to do, and you must do it because it will help you. You have to solve it. I will give you 10 seconds to solve it. So then I've told you that the fractions whose numerator is 1 are unit fraction. So you have to tell me in these figures which is a unit fraction and which is not a unit fraction. I'll count till 5. Till then you tell me. In the comment box also you can tell me, or you can write in the notebook also. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here first figure has two shaded parts. So shaded part are the part which is the numerator and the unshaded parts are the numerator. This I have told you in earlier videos also. Then here also the shaded part is numerator and shaded is denominator, because shaded part is the part we want and unshaded means the left part. So the total part is as the denominator and the shaded part means the part which we want is the numerator. So you can tell me what is the unit fraction in this. Here two parts are shaded, so 2 will be the numerator. Here one part is shaded, so it will be a unit fraction. Here two parts are shaded, so it will not be a unit fraction, means it has 2 as the numerator now. But here one part is shaded, so 1 is the numerator, so it is also a unit fraction. Then our topic of unit fraction is just completed with it, and tomorrow I think we will study simple fraction. Tomorrow we will study simple fraction, and I'll also upload you the video. It is the nearby end of the video, so let's also make an exercise. I have told you now that we'll do the exercise, so let's do. Find the unit fractions. Find the a minute. Yeah, find the unit fractions. So in this I am giving you some questions. You have to find which is a unit fraction and which is a not. A minute. I'm changing the color so that you can understand it better. So the first is 1 upon 21. The next is 1 upon 43. The next is 5 upon 54. Then the next is 45 upon suppose 56. Then 1 upon 3455. Then 4 upon 43. Yes, and then 1 upon suppose 45. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 choices, and you have to find in these 7 which are the unit fractions and which are not a unit fractions. This is the numerator, this is the middle line, and this is the denominator. Then I'll count till 10. Till then you can do it in a notebook and also comment me your answers, and those of you have not understood the part which you have not understood, please comment me in the comment box. So let's count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I hope friends you have till now found out that which is a unit fraction and which is not a unit fraction. So then this has the numerator 1, so it is a unit fraction. This also has numerator 1, so this is also a unit fraction. This does not has numerator 1, so it is not a unit fraction. This does not has numerator 1, so it is also not a unit fraction. This has numerator 1, so it is a unit fraction. This do not has 1 as the numerator, so it is not a unit fraction. This 1 is a unit fraction because 1 is the numerator. So we'll cut the fractions which are not the unit fractions, and the rest which are uncut are the unit fractions. A minute please. It is opposite, sorry. What was written? 4 upon, leave it, I am writing another number like 355. I suppose this was only written, no? Maybe. So I have cut this 1, 2, 3. In 7, only 3 were not unit fractions and rest 1, 2, 3, 4 were unit fractions because they were having numerator 1. So this is the end of the video, and I have asked you that I am going to tell you a very interesting thing at the any time of the video. So I am telling you the interesting thing in the end. So the interesting thing is a trick. That the trick is that unit fractions can be found not by seeing the denominator also. If just we see the numerator, we don't have to, like, suppose relate anything in unit fractions with the denominator. We can only choose the denominator by the unit fractions or by the numerator also. If 1 is the numerator, it will be a unit fraction. If 1 is not a numerator, it will not be a unit fraction. So this was the interesting thing, and friends, there is one more interesting thing which is not related to the study. That is, I hope many students will be knowing, but many students will not be knowing that the war of India and China, it is on the very high position nowadays because China is not getting back from the border, so it is a war time, so we must be prepared. So be home, be safe from coronavirus. Goodbye friends. Please like, subscribe and share my channel, Haste Padhna Education channel, to get these interesting videos. I hope you have liked it. Please like also and help me increasing my subscribers likes. Bye.